Hey guys, so today I'm doing another makeup video. This time I have my order from Too Faced. Now I have two orders. The first order I bought when I found out they had free shipping and I got all excited. So I bought a mini of something and then I seen an ad for 50% off all the like fruit stuff. So I got something from that sale too. So anyways, let's jump into it. And of course, oh, this is open. All right. So I'm pretty sure this is from the first order. And look how cutely like packaged it is. I did open it already just to look at it. But okay, there's nothing in that. Okay, so the first thing that I got one of those travel size mascaras, and this one is the Better Than Sex, which I'm excited about, and I'm going to be using this in my makeup today. And here, now these aren't the bristles that I'm like fond of, but I just wanted to try it out because I do like the NARS one, and the bristles are like this too, so just wanted to see if I liked it, so, because these are the soft bristle ones, but we'll find out. Okay, and the free samples that I got the Primed and Poreless Pore Banishing and Blurring Face Primer. So I'm going to be using this one, and I'm not going to be using this one because I did get a foundation, but this is a Born This Way. Oh no, this is a concealer. Okay, I am going to use this. Okay, this is Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Cream Puff. And then the second order I got, and this is a different box, I got a foundation, and this is full size. And okay, so for this mascara I paid $13, and of course the samples are free. This was 50% off and I paid $18 for this. That's the most I've ever spent on a foundation, just being real with you. I'm cheap, but I thought, okay, this is originally $36. If I can get it for half off, $18, I mean, if it's $36, I'm thinking it's going to be good. So for $18, hey, it's worth a shot. So this is the Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation infused with peach and sweet fig milk. Now this is oil-free, 14-hour wear, oil controlling, photo friendly, and I'm pretty sure this is and it's in the color vanilla. I'm pretty sure this is a medium coverage. Now they did have one that was full coverage, but it was a dewy foundation, which I like matte, so I went with this one instead of the full coverage dewy, and I don't really need full coverage, so this is going to work out just fine. Okay, and I got the same thing, the Poreless Primer and the Multi-Sculpting Concealer, but this one's in Marshmallow. So I might actually use the Marshmallow because the Marshmallow is a little bit lighter, and then save the vanilla or Cream Puff. So yeah, so I'm going to use the primer, the concealer, and then the two products that I got for my look today. And then I'm going to save those two for another day for when those run out. Okay, let's get into this look. Okay, first I'm going to be doing my eyes, and I'm going to be using this palette, the Tasty Peach palette that I got from my Ulta order. And that is what it looks like. And it's I Heart I Heart Revolution. So first I primed my eyes and I used the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Total Coverage Concealer that I usually always use for my eyes. Okay, so there's not really a transition type shade in here, so I'm just going to go all in with dark, I guess. I'm going to go in with this color right here. Hopefully it's not going to be insane, and of course it is, because this palette is like super pigmented, you guys. I'm going to a birthday party today. My daughter's friend is actually my friend's daughter is turning 9, I believe, and yeah, they're having a backyard tie-dye party, and I'm gonna come in there looking like Miss Glam, so hopefully I'm not gonna look completely ridiculous, but I have a feeling that I am, because this is gonna be like super crazy makeup. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this brown color right here. I don't want to like go too shimmery like anywhere else, because I want to save the shimmer for my lid. So but this is a really pigmented nice palette. I'm just thinking, like, next time I use this, I might want to tone it down just a little bit with another palette. Just because, you know, I need some light colors in there too, I feel like. Because I feel like all these like colors are dark except for the shimmer shades. We'll manage. Alright, now I'm going to use this pink right here for my lid. So I'm only going to be using 3 colors today. Oh, that looks nice. I like that color. Now, there's not much, there is a little bit of fallout, but there's not, but there's a lot of kickback. Like, a lot of kickback in the palette. So, I feel like I'm losing, like, product every time I dip into it, which isn't good. Okay. And then I'm just gonna blend a little bit. Now these colors, they're gorgeous. Gorgeous and super pigmented. So for moisturizer, I used Glam Glow, Glow Starter, Nude Glow, Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. And for primer, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Blurring Primer. Okay. Ooh. So it's not bad. Like, it feels like a moisturizer, kind of. It's not oily. It's not silicone-y either. It's like really hydrating feeling. But it does feel like slick. But it doesn't feel like super silicone-y like the Smashbox one that I own. But it doesn't feel like super oily like the Ulta one that I own. So that's good. It's like a good mixture between the two. I like it. Okay, now on to foundation, the Perfect Peach. And I just put that much on there. And again, this is in the shade Vanilla. It actually smells like peaches, you guys. So that's not bad. Not a bad shade match. And it is pretty decent coverage for my skin. I like it. Okay, so for brows, I used the Brow Gal in the color Brown Hair 02. And for concealer, I'm using the Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer in Marshmallow. And this is the first time that I'm going to be using this. So I made a little mess. I'm gonna have to put this into a baggie once I'm done. Okay. Get it all off my brush. And then I'm just gonna take my blender and blend it all in. In my mirror. Ugh, I feel like I put too much under my eyes because it's getting a little bit everywhere. I don't know if that's, nope, that's not my dog. Okay, we're good. Okay. It's pretty, like, really decent coverage. Like, almost like too good to the fact of, I think I used a little too much. So next time, I need to use a little less. Okay. There we go. I like it. I'm probably going to use that up till it's gone. For setting powder, I use Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. And now I'm just going to finish up my eyes. Okay, so I'm just going to take this red color that I started with. I'm going to take this brush and just swoop it under, but I'm not going to put it on super thick. And those are my dogs. I'm going to go quiet them down in just a second. And then I'm just going to calm it down a little bit. By blending it out just a little. I still feel like it's too harsh. But oh well. Okay. There we go. For eyeliner, I used the Tarte Man-Eater that I used in my last makeup video. And I only did a thin line this time, which I'm pretty happy with. Yeah. So now I'm going to apply the mascara, and I'm going to be using the Better Than Sex that I got in this order. And I'm getting this concealer like everywhere. Okay. So, first impressions. And I'm just going to be putting it on my top lash right now because I do my bottom last so that I don't get it everywhere while I'm trying to be doing the rest of my face makeup. But this I just put on, I like to put it on the top lashes before I put on the false lashes because I feel like it makes it darker and thicker. And if you can hear the dogs barking, like, I don't know what's going on, but all the dogs in the neighborhood are barking at something. And I really like this mascara, you guys. Normally I don't like these brushes at all, but this mascara and the NARS Climax mascara that I have, they're starting to make me rethink these brushes on certain ones. But normally I find these brushes make my eyelashes super clumpy, but I'm not noticing that at all with this one. So, pleasantly surprised with this. I like it. Okay. I'm going to put on my lashes, and I'm going to be using the Dollar Lash Club Luxury Mink Lashes in Audrey, and I already have the glue on, and they've been drying. So, first I'm going to do my bronzer just to let the mascara dry, and then when you see me, I'll have that and the lashes on. Okay, so for bronzer, I use Too Faced Chocolate Soleil in medium deep, and it's a matte bronzer. Now, and I have my lashes on. Now I'm going to do the rest of my face, and then I'll be back. Okay, so for blush, I use Steve Laurent in the color Rose All Day. For highlights, I used Beauty Intuition That Glow, though. Not the biggest fan of it, I'm just saying. And for lips, I used Too Faced Melted Liquefied Longwear Lipstick in the color Chihuahua. And that's my look, you guys. Now I just have to do my hair. But yeah, what do you guys think? I really love this mascara, and I really like this foundation. So I feel like for $13 and for $18, I really got my money's worth with these. So I'm pretty excited. And the concealer and the primer, I really liked those too. So they were like an added bonus. So, and the other Too Faced products that I have and that I used, this is one of my favorite lipsticks. I love it. So I'm excited about that. And this is like my all-time favorite bronzer. So yeah, and these two, this one I think was a free sample that I got, to be honest, and so was this. So these two were free. So yeah, I am loving Too Faced, to be honest. And this palette, so pigmented. I love it a lot. I do think maybe the next time I do a look, I might combine it with a palette with lighter colors just to kind of transition with light and dark, because there is, except for the shimmer shades, which I used this one right here as a highlight, except for the shimmer shades, it's pretty much a dark colored palette, so I do need some lighter colors just to kind of like not make it in your face. Although I am liking this look, to be honest. So yeah, let me know in the comment section down below if you like my look too. And that's everything. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have an awesome day. Bye.